10 Best Cocktail Strainers for Home Bar in 2020, brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Among the basic bar tools, one that any bartender should never go without is a cocktail strainer. Let's take a look at the best cocktail strainers for home bar in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. If you are finding cocktail strainer for professional bartenders and mixologists, Hawthorne cocktail strainer is the best one. Barfly scalloped julep strainer is the best decorative strainer. If you want the best strainer set, you can buy cocktail strainer set stainless steel bar tool with bar spoon. Let's check the top 10 options. At number 10, we have Hick Kitchen Julep Bar Strainer. This cocktail strainer is perfect to use in mixing glasses and also keeps the counter clean. At number 9, Cocktail Strainer Set Stainless Steel Bar Tool with Bar Spoon. This cocktail strainer set is very cheap, but the quality is not compromised. We have Barfly M37025CP Fine Mesh Cocktail Strainer in the 8th position. This strainer has a lovely copper color, and also the handle has a wide slot that makes it easy to hang on any size of hook. RSVP Endurance Stainless Steel 3-inch Conical Strainer is at number 7. This cocktail strainer is for small amount of liquids and can be used for other straining purposes. At number 6, Hawthorne Cocktail Strainer. This cocktail strainer has a strongly coiled spring and it's well welded on its rim, which allows fingers to rest. A bar above professional julep strainer gets the 5th position. This cocktail strainer has smaller holes to effectively leave smaller seeds and pulp from fruits. At number 4, we have OXO Steel Fine Mesh Cocktail Strainer. This cocktail strainer is cheap yet has high-quality fine mesh with its wider rim and deeper cone. Barfly Scalloped Julep Strainer gets the 3rd position. This cocktail strainer is the best decorative strainer with its antique copper color and vintage look. We have Winco Stainless Steel 4-prong bar strainer at number 2. This cocktail strainer is one of the cheapest in the market and it can be the best for home bar. At number 1, OXO Steel Cocktail Strainer. This cocktail strainer's brand is very trusted for bar tools for its quality and value that they deliver to their customers. You can buy any of these cocktail strainers for home bar by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.